What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Blind by DaBaby. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll sodomize your favorite house plant. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to figure out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So the song is in standard tuning, and it's got 4 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be an E minor 7. It's going to be 0, 7, 9, 7, 8, 7. So you're barring the entire 7th fret with your index finger, starting on the A string, ring finger on the D string on your 9th fret, then your G string is on the 7th fret, being barred down by your index finger. Your middle finger is on the B string on the 8th fret, and then your high E is on the 7th fret, being barred. Then you're going to go to an A minor bar chord, which is just 5, 7, 7, 5, 5, 5. Bar the entire 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the A string on the 7th fret, your pinky finger on the 7th fret on the D string. Next up is a D power or a D bar chord. It's going to be 5, 7, 7, 7 on the A, D, G, B. You're not playing anything on the low E or the high E. I'm just using my index finger on the A string on the 5th fret. My ring finger is barring the 7th fret on D, G, and B. And then finally a G major bar chord. It's 3, 5, 5, 4, 3, 3. The same as your A, just slide it down to the 3rd fret and then put your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G string. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. Starting on your E minor 7, it's going to be down, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, and then a muted up, down. Actually, it's a down, up, muted. And then down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And you can do just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, or you can do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.